Namaste student, myself Dr. Suraj Jagat, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Today I will discuss about rodents and their management. Then first is rodents. Rodents are vertebrate pests which belong to the class Mammalia and have an external covering of hair. Its order Rodentia, including a large number of animals ranging in size from the smallest mice to as large as porcupines, squirrel and beavers, etc. The rodents are easily distinguished from other mammals by the characteristic arrangement and form of their teeth. They have only one pair of chile-shaped incisors in both the lower and upper jaw or on canines. The rodents incidents grow continuously throughout the life at the rate 12.5 centimeter per year, and about 2.5% losses are the causes due to rodents in storage annually. Then rodents not only feed on grain but also contaminate 20 times more than what they consume with their droppings, urine, hair, and even sometimes with their own dead bodies. Some of the important rodent species found in the field and storage discussion in the section. फील्ड में कौन सी रोडेंट्स की स्पीसीज होती है एंड स्टोरेज में कौन सी रोडेंट्स की स्पीसीज होती है. देन फर्स्ट बात करते हैं रोडेंट्स और फील्ड रोडेंट्स. देन फर्स्ट इज इंडियन में मोल रैट एंड इसको एक अनोदर नेम लेजर बेंटिकोट, साइंटिफिक नेम बेंटिकोटा बेंगालेंसिस एंड सॉफ्ट फुरेड फील्ड रेट रोटस मेल्टाटा, इंडियन गेरबिल रेट टटेरा इंडिका, इंडियन फील्ड माउस मूसा बुडुगा एंड ब्राउन स्पानी माउस मूस प्लेटिथेरिक्स. Coconut rat, ratus, and rodents in storage. First is house rat. House rat is common ratus rupensens, large bandicoot and bandicoot rat, Bandicoota indica. Brown rat is Ratus novagicus. Then key of identification of common Indian rodents. Then two types: body covered with hair and body covered with quills. Then body covered with hair is first tail naked family Muridae, and tail heavy budget squirrels family Squirrelidae. Heavy tail having two types: straight southern part of squirrels and straight northern part of squirrels. And tail naked tail with the tassel of hair tip family is Murin, and tail with tassel of hair tip family Gavillini. Gavillini is two types: sole of foot hair and sole of foot naked. First is partially hair gabriel, Indian gabriel, and commonly hairy footed gabriel. Then tail with the no tassel of hair is two types: tail longer than HB and tail longer equal than HB. Then another is tail shorter equal than HB is HB less than 100 mm. Indian field mouse Mus buduga, and HB more than 100 mm. Body pale with smooth hair, winged tail seen in the wet and wild. Soft field rat is body black with rough hair. Rough hair is two types: prolonged nasal bone and nasal bone cut. Then short nasal bone is tail two types: tail 2/3 and tail more than 2/3. Then management of rodents. This is a very important of management of rodents. And the management of field rodents. The field three basic components of IPM as any other pest, and then first is prevention, second is observation, and the third is intervention. Then first is prevention. Prevention, food and habitat manipulation in the key in preventing rodents in the field to cause any threat of the field crops. Likely summer deploying, keep the field ones free from weeds, training the field ones, and reducing the number of birds as far as possible, and then selection uniform mutually varieties, uniform planting, avoiding solving planting, monitoring rodents, population building up, particularly after polluting natural cattle calamities. Then avoiding hair extraction, hair pulling to eliminate it, and encouraging natural animals, snake and birds. Then observation identify species can be made by visual observation of species and their roaming pattern. Then assessment of rodents population by burrow count in hand before single adult, whether male or female inhabited a bureau. So, what is ETL? Economic threshold level, and ETL level is that's 2% tiller damage in rice, and 20% of affected yields. The intervention setting of indigenous trash, boat trash at the rate 20 to 25 per hectare. Smoking burrow with a burrow fumigators originally designed at April AP, APRWI, Mathuravi AP. The beds on a community approach over a large area. Rate are blind and cannot avoided. This criteria are exhibited in the habits and bettings. Then acute poison. Acute poison is zinc phosphate 2%. Pre-betting should be done 2 to 3 days before, and betting broken rice 96 parts. Local food 96 parts, edible oil 2 parts, and zinc phosphate 2 parts, and 10 bed station following by bedding fumigation with aluminum phosphide after invasion of burrows at the rate 2 patterns for 2 gram per burrow. Zinc phosphide burrow can be done only once during the season. The single dose antiviral probably be known 0.25 cb at same ratio, and bed can be used as any number of times at 10 to 15 days interval during crop season. Then management of rodents in a storage, killing by sticks, using trap, neck trap, live cage trap, water trap. Then encouraging predator like cats, dogs, owls and hawks. They use of chronic anticoagulants. The rodents see solid wells. Rhodopsin C 1 part, sugar 1 part, vegetable oil 1 part, and crucial grain corn meal 17 parts. The rhodopsin as liquid weld. The rhodopsin 1 parts, water 19 parts. Effective in storage as there is lack of the water in storage. The total rate of observation after 2.5 days of continuous feeding. Bromidol, Roban, Moose, and a single dose of anticoagulant, and new generation Golden Loan 0.005% arbitrary beds, and one piece should be kept at a heating place, run away egg. And this is rodents and their important and their management.